guys, let's take a quick look here at STX. This is one of the channel favorites for a lot of people. Now you can see this chart still looks not so great, guys. I can say we need to make a higher, high here. We do have to break maybe this little area. So basically, if I zoom in here, guys, we need to break about $1.84 to start making, higher highs here. We're still, making, lower lows basically, or lower highs actually. Now we have started to make higher lows here. So that's a start. You could even say that this is kind of a head and shoulders, really an inverse head and shoulders. Here you would have the shoulder, here you would have something like a head, and then you have the other shoulder. But that's kind of ugly in my opinion, so I don't want to say it's really an inverse head and shoulders here. But the thing is, guys, we just need to start, making higher highs here. That's the main thing. Basically, take out $1.84. Better if we can take out about $2. So let's just say $2 is like right here. That would take out this whole area that we've been trading in the whole summer. Now we do have a lot of resistances, and we are starting to break into the next Fibonacci here. As you can see, if I zoom in, you will get a better look at this. So we will see, guys. Now, this is the daily candle. I mean, we've broken through this resistance here at $1.60, really, $1.67 on the weekly time frame, and then this Fibonacci. So we will see if this can hold or not. As long as Bitcoin is doing its thing and moving up, I do believe it will, start to take out all these resistances. Now you can see Bitcoin is starting to get rejected here at 63.1 on the daily time frame. But for the last 3 days, guys, it has had some massive candles. Now this little pattern here, this little double bottom, as you can see, I marked it off here on the daily time frame. Basically, we need to break the 64.2 mark, and then the double bottom is really into play, guys. Now that target for the double bottom is up here around $74.5 to $75,000, but it has to break this neckline here. So now the most important resistance will be here at 66,000. That's if we were to break it today, really. That's where it stands. As you guys know, we have been rejected pretty much every month since we made the all-time high in March. As you see, that was the first touch on the trend line. April, here's May, June, July, we even touched it a couple of times. And yeah, guys, we didn't touch it in August, but we got within like $2,500, fairly close, but didn't touch it, guys. So we right now are about $3,000 away or so. So similar circumstance like August. Let's see if we can continue with this momentum though. But right now we are looking good. But we have to break these resistances first. So basically, guys, the economic calendar today, we have jobless claims. We do have some manufacturing and employment, home sales, but I don't think anything is really going to push, Bitcoin so much. At this moment. Now this is in the next 4 minutes. I'll probably finish this video before 4 minutes. But I don't think anything is really going to pump on that. Now tomorrow, pretty much you have an empty calendar. Nothing really too important for Bitcoin. Now the next rate cut, it looks like a 1/4 point is favored right now. But these numbers, guys, are similar to what we had pretty much all along for September. And right at the end, it reversed. So within, the last, one and a half weeks or so, we saw a big reversal and got the 1/2 point cut, which I am shocked, guys. I did think we were going to get the 1/4 point cut. I thought they were going to save maybe a 1/2 point for November or even December. But anyways, I was wrong. Luckily I made a bet on Polymarket for a 1/2 point cut, and I won. So, but I didn't really believe I was going to get that money. It was just kind of a risk, and I still had my heart on the 1/4 point cut. I would have gladly lost the money. It wasn't so much money, guys. I don't gamble so much on Polymarket. Usually my bets there are $1, $2, $3, and that's it, guys. Maybe I can put 5 on something. I did put 15 on the Trump handshake though, but anyways, I knew that was going to happen. So let's take a look here at Fear and Greed. It's at 49. We're in neutral territory, guys. A little bit up from yesterday. I think tomorrow we're going to see a massive rise in Fear and Greed. Probably, closer to 60, I would say. Definitely probably above 55 at least with this candle. As long as we can keep the momentum in this candle going, or, maybe we can break this resistance here, then yeah, I think that's where we'll be. Hopefully we don't retrace for any reason. But yeah, Fear and Greed 49 right in the middle. Crypto bubbles, guys, pretty much things are just pumping across the board. You can go to the crypto bubbles and take a look yourself, but there's very few projects like FTN or Leo. Even the KuCoin, token is a little bit red, I guess. Although I think it's a great token. It's maybe similar to BitGet token or even BNB. I wish I got it, and that's one I think I missed. But anyways, guys, that's not for this video. This video is all about stacks. We love stacks, and stacks, is looking a little better. But like I said, we got to start making higher highs, guys. We gotta get up here above $2 and get out of this whole summer range. And anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you about stacks and Bitcoin at the moment. If you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.